Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have a unboxing today. This one is a relatively short one. It is a soap and splash from the Razor company. This is one that came in just before I left on a short trip to visit my family. And I can't wait to give this open, give it a good sniff. You may have seen from other folks already, but these unboxings are fun. I think you guys tend to like it, so. And here it is. Le Mafioso. This is the soap, and let me dig around, find in there. This is the soap and splash for the Canadian Mafia show, friends of the channel. It's a great show every other week over on Instagram. This is their very first shave soap and splash. It is made for them by Hendrix Classics and Company, a soap maker that I have not used yet. So this will be my first go with them. I'm going to open the splash too, mine as well. The scent itself is a dupe of Jean Paul Gaultier, Le Male Parfum. I haven't smelled that one specifically. I have one that's very close called Ultra Male. This is not exactly the same as the original Jean Paul Gaultier, which has a very distinct bottle. I'll show you a picture of a muscular, manly man, the torso. That scent's been around forever. It's known for lavender and mint are kind of its signature, kind of the notes. It's a clubbing scent. It's kind of loud. It's known for being loud. It projects. It kind of captures the attention of those around you. This parfum. Well, I'm going to show you the cap while I smell it on this other side of the camera here. Take a look at the fresh pour there. So not super strong off the tub itself. I would say it's about a medium, but definitely you get that Le Male DNA. You know what the scent is going after there. I could smell it in the splash here, but you know what? I'll save it for the shave itself, and I can give you guys my impressions there. This is a limited edition release, so actually I'm not sure at the time of recording if there's any left, but I got mine from the Razor company, and just very active in the community as well. So you'll see Jason from Razor company on the Instagram shows like Canadian Mafia Show, BBS Live, and the like. So great member of the community, offering this, as a way to, as a little, maybe giving something back to the guys who are creating some entertainment for their fellow wet shavers. All right, so that'll be it for this quick unboxing today. Thanks guys for tuning in, and stay tuned for an actual shave with this software set. You have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.